Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Like the previous one, this is a full system install, including Solar Edge, solar, Tesla Powerwall. Actually 2 Zappis are also going in as well. So please enjoy the install. Just to follow on from the previous video, because it was so hot, I forgot to film the me putting the felt down over where we took off the existing flue. We did put new felt down and make sure it was secured in. We didn't just leave it wide open, but I just wanted to follow up from that. Apologies. So these little devices are called Solar Edge optimizers. So these make the panels work individually. So on a normal system, so to speak, say if one panel got a bit of shading, it will shut down half of the panels. Whereas these, say if the one panel got shading, it will just cut off that panel, but all the rest will still work. But like I said in all the videos, Solar Edge is the way to go for solar. On this job we actually use bigger panels just because the roof was capable of holding bigger panels and allowing the 200mm gap from the panel to the guttering. They're also a bigger wattage, which means they'll produce more when sun is shining on them. So it was great to use something different, and in my opinion I think they look really good. The reason why we have installed the Tesla Powerwall bracket prior to installing the battery was simply because as soon as the battery arrives we can just plug it on the wall. All the cables will run through ready, so it's just a case of connecting the Powerwall end and then just commissioning the Powerwall along with the gateway. This little device here is what's known as a Modbus meter, so that just shows on your Solar Edge portal what you're importing and exporting. This job also consisted of full burr protection, as you can see here. Another nice clean job. So this image provides basically all the info that you would have on your app, so you can see what you're producing, what you're actually importing prior to having the battery. The next part of the video actually shows you guys another service that we provide, which is a maintenance service, which includes a clean, if an overall check of the inverter, make sure the whole system's working and it's up to date, all the firmware and everything else. So here you can see that I'm installing the new firmware. This is a prime example as to why we do this kind of service. Here you can see there's a communication error which actually involves the SolarEdge Modbus meter. It turned out it was faulty, never from install, just devices have their moments where they just become faulty. So we logged it with SolarEdge and we're due to go back and then fit the new one. But with the overall maintenance service, I mean, everything's running smoothly, just apart from the Modbus meter. You will be able to see that the solar is still working on the last part of the video. But yeah, please like and subscribe.